हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का टेस्ट सीरीज। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट द सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट बाय द ईयर्स ऑफ कमेंसमेंट। राइट द सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट बाय द ईयर्स ऑफ कमेंसमेंट। फर्स्ट, नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम, फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम, development of women and children in rural areas, development and women and children in rural areas, जवाहर ग्राम समृद्धि योजना। C option is right and the sequence is first food for work program, second national rural employment program, development of women and children in rural areas, and the fourth Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana. This is the correct sequence. Next question, match the items in list 1 with list second. शबनम, लड्डू, जलेबी, तहपची, आची पट्टी। इन्हें हम मैच करते हैं। लेट्स मैच। सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ए। शबनम जामदानी, लड्डू जलेबी बांधनी, तहपची चिकन कारी, पची पट्टी गुजरात। Next question, match the color in list 1 with category given in list 2. Red, green, violet, gray. Neutral color, primary color, binary color, tertiary color. D option is right. Red color जो है वो है primary, ग्रीन है वो है बाइनरी कलर, शी टर्शियरी कलर, ग्रे इज न्यूट्रल कलर। ग्रे इज न्यूट्रल कलर। सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज डी। Which protein is found in egg? The protein found in egg is albumin. Fixed curriculum for teaching is followed in. Fixed curriculum for teaching is followed in formal education. Match the following authors with the concepts they have introduced. Vygotsky, Piaget, Spearman, Montessori. PWRE, Zone of Proximal Development, General Factor, Auto Education. Vygotsky ने दिया था। Vygotsky had given the concepts of Zone of Proximal Development. Piaget has given PWRE. Spearman is related to general factor, and Montessori had given the concept of auto education. So the right option is V. Match the programs of development in list 1 with the years of commencement in list 2. Match the programs of development in list 1 with the years of commencement in list 2. Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology in 1986. CREAS Scheme for Rural Employment 19 71. Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana 1999. Employment Assurance Scheme 1993. Who is the father of kindergarten? जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का कोड है, ऑप्शन आप मिला लें. ए ऑप्शन इज राइट. कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज द फादर ऑफ kindergarten? फ्रोबेल. आप ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हो, गार्डन में फूल खिलते हैं, फ्लावर्स खिलते हैं, तो ये टिप्स हो गया कि kindergarten. फ्रोबेल. अससन. Egg yolk is used for making mayonnaise. Egg yolk serves as an emulsifying agent in preparation of mayonnaise. Options both A and R are false. Both statements are wrong. False. So the right option is D. Arrange the following teaching learning methods in order of learner's ability. Arrange the following teaching learning methods in order of learner's ability. B option is right. Radio talk, a video show, demonstration, laboratory method. Major source of energy for the body is fat. Tocopherol is what? Tocopherol is anti-caking. And also vitamin, anti-caking and vitamin. Options आपके सामने है. Second and 4 are correct. A. Second and 4 are correct. Sorry guys. Second and 4 are correct. So the tocopherol is, please correct the question. Tocopherol is antioxidants and vitamins. Tocopherol is antioxidants and vitamins. Next question. Assertion. 73rd Constitutional Amendment 1992 gave constitutional status to Panchayat Raj institutions. The amendment also made provision of 33% reservation for women. This amendment has empowered women politically and has brought a sense of political responsibility while giving functional and financial autonomy to panchayats. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Which of the following microorganism cause foodborne intoxication? E. coli. No. Staphylococcus aureus and Clostridium botulinum. You have to correct the answer. Which of the following microorganisms cause foodborne Staphylococcus aureus and Clostridium botulinum? For a successful outcome of the nutrition program for the community, state the sequential order of steps to be taken. Options. Option A is right. कोड में मिलाते हैं. So the first, identify target, priorities problem, setting objectives, mobilizing resources, implementation, monitoring and evaluation. For a successful outcome of the nutrition program for the community, state the sequential order of steps to be taken. Okay. Home science is a field of knowledge and service primarily concerned with strengthening the family life. Home science is a field of knowledge and service primarily concerned with strengthening family life. The term turbulence was given by Gilbert. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. बाय.